Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learner AG. Friends, today we discuss about RF oscillator. This is very important topic, friends. Let's start now. RF oscillator. Introduction. An oscillator is an electronic circuit that generates a continuous periodic signal, sine wave or a square wave, without any external input. An RF oscillator is a special type of oscillator that generates radio frequency signal from kHz to GHz range, kilohertz to gigahertz range. These are widely used in radio, TV, wireless communication, radar, and test instrument. Let's know about principle, friends. The RF oscillator works on the principle of posture feedback. A part of output is feedback to the input in phase with the original signal. This feedback maintains continuous oscillation. The frequency of oscillation is decided by a resonant LC circuit. And then, friends, loop gain is equal to 1 or 1. Total phase shift is equal to 0 degree or 360 degree. Block diagram. You can see, friends, this is the block diagram of RF oscillator. Oscillatory circuit, amplifier, DC supply, output, positive feedback network. An RF oscillator's operation can be understood using a simple block diagram that three essential parts. First parts, ampere A, amplifier A. This is amplifier, friends. Amplifier is denoted by A. This is an active component like transistor or operational amplifier that provides gain to the signal. It compensates for energy losses in the circuit to sustain oscillations. And the next, feedback network. This passive network takes a portion of the amplifier's output and feeds it back to the input for oscillations to occur. This feedback must be positive, meaning the signal returning to the input in phase with the original input signal. And the next, friends, frequency determining network. This is a resonant circuit, typically on an LC circuit, that determines the specific frequency of oscillations. It acts as a filter, allowing only a narrow band of frequencies to pass through the feedback loop. The principle of operation is that a small noise signal at the input of the amplifier is amplified and feedback through the resonant network. The network selects and passes only its resonant frequency, which is amplified again. This positive feedback loop causes the signal at the resonant frequency to grow exponentially until it reaches a stable. And then, friends, this is obtained frequency. The frequency of an RF oscillator is determined by the resonant circuit. For a simple LC tank circuit, the frequency calculated using the FR is equal to 1 by 2 pi under root LC, where FR is the resonant frequency in the hertz, Hz, L is the inductance of the coil in Henry's H, C is the capacitance of the capacitor in farad, F. This formula shows that the frequency is inversely proportional to the square root of both inductance and capacitance. Therefore, you can adjust the frequency of an oscillator by changing the values of the inductor or capacitor. Now, friends, we know about applications. This is applications of, first, radio transmission. Radio transmission used to generate carrier signal in AM, FM and other radio communication. Second, television broadcasting. Television broadcasting provides a stable RF signals for transmitting TV signals. And then next, wireless communication. Wireless communication used in mobile phones, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and satellite communication. And the next, radar system generates high frequency signals required for detecting object and distance. And next friends, remote control. Remote control found in RF based remotes for cars, drones and appliances. And then military applications. Military applications, radar navigation and secure wireless communication. Now we know friends advantage. First advantage, high frequency range and generate signals from MHz to GHz range. A stable frequency provides accurate and consistent frequency output. And then next, low power consumption suitable for battery operated system. Now we know friends disadvantages. Complex design, high frequency oscillator need careful design and shielding. Next, noise issue, susceptible to interference and noise at high frequency. Next, high quality RF components are very costly. And then last friends, not suitable for high power application. Thank you friends. We meet in next video. Please support my YouTube channel and please subscribe my channel. We meet in next video. Thank you friends.